Hey everyone, just wanted to post a quick short video of a construction update for the TROn Light Cycle roller coaster in Magic Kingdom. I took this video from the line on the Barnstormer attraction in Fantasyland, and it looks like they're pretty far along. A lot of the track looks like it's laid already. Looks like they might be starting to build the show building on the side, or maybe part of the canopy. I know that this is supposed to open, I think they said 2021, but it looks like they're pretty far along, so maybe sooner than that. What I've done is I posted a couple of photos of the Tron Light Cycle roller coaster from Shanghai Disney, and maybe you can kind of compare and see the construction compared to what the final roller coaster is going to look like. So maybe that helps you. Anyway, as always, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the like icon, as that really helps out the videos. Thanks and enjoy.